Hello everyone, welcome back to Win with Max. Today we are going to learn about kinds of angles. We have learned about what are angles from the previous class. So what are angles? An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is represented by the symbol. Using this symbol we can represent the angle. So we have learned about O and OB are the arms of the angle and the meeting point of these two rays called vertex. Now, what all are the kinds of angles? There are many different kinds of angles we have. So the first one is acute angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degree. The measurement of an acute angle is always less than 90 degree. Then the next one is right angle. A right angle is equal to 90 degree. That is exactly 90 degree. Then the third one is obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is larger than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So obtuse angle is larger than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Then the fourth one, straight angle. A straight angle is equal to 180 degree. An angle, a measurement is if it is 180 degree, that angle is called straight angle. And we can say that this is a measurement of a straight line. So the next one is reflex angle. A reflex angle is larger than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. These are the main kind of angles. So acute angle less than 90 degree, right angle equal to 90 degree, obtuse angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, straight angle equal to 180 degree, reflex angle more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So these are the kinds of angles. Now we can learn that another type of angles, that is complementary angles and supplementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles are called complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. When we are adding two angles, we have to get the answer 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, we are getting, when two angles adding, when we are getting 90 degree measurement, that two angles are called complementary angles. If it is not 90 degree, that are not complementary angles. So two angles are called complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. Then what are supplementary angles? Two angles are called supplementary angles if their sum is 180 degree. When we are adding two angles, we must get the answer 180 degree if it is a supplementary angle. So two angles, when we are adding, we have to get 180 degree to consider that two angles are supplementary angles. So two angles are called supplementary angles if their sum is 180 degree. When the sum of two angle is 90 degree complementary angles. When sum of two angles are 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. Another type, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are, the two angles are said to be adjacent angles when they share the common vertex and side, or normally we can say that what all are adjacent angles, that should be just near to the one angle. But there should be one condition. Adjacent angles must have common vertex and common side. That means the two adjacent angles must be the opposite side of a same side, a common side. So here there is given a picture, angle ABC, and here we have a common side. So ABO, OBC are the common, adjacent angles. So here XOZ, ZOY, these are the adjacent angles. So when we say about angles, which letter is representing for the angle, that should be in the middle. So here ABO, because B is a vertex and B is the angle representing point. That's why ABO, we have to read this angle as ABO. Here ABO and OBC are adjacent angles. Then linear pair. What are linear pair? Linear pair is very important to do the questions from this chapter. So linear pair, the angles are said to be linear pair if they are adjacent to each other. The sum of the angles of a linear pair is always equal to 180 degree. The angles are said to be linear if they are adjacent to each other. So if it is a linear pair, that should be adjacent angles. That must be adjacent angles. And when we are adding that two angles, the answer should be 180 degree. Or in other way, we can say that about this linear pair, easily we can say that sum of angles on a straight line, that should be 180 degree. For linear pair, there should be only two angles. Okay, that is the difference. So the angles are said to be linear if they are adjacent to each other. Here the adjacent angles are AOB and angle BOC. These two are adjacent angles because it is having a common vertex and common side. Then when we are adding these two angles, if the answer is 180 degree, they are called linear pair. So the sum of the angles of a linear pair is always equal to 180 degree. There are one more type of angles, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles also will come, usually it will come for them, come in the questions. So vertically opposite angles, when two lines intersect each other, then the opposite angles formed due to intersection are called vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. So when two lines intersect each other, we have learned about intersecting lines. When two lines intersect each other, then the opposite angles formed. Here it is marked with orange color and blue color. So these two angles are called vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. A and B are vertical angles. C and D are vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. A pair of vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. A pair of vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. What is the measurement of angle A? The same measurement will be for angle B. What is the measurement of angle C? The same will be for angle D. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So these are the main types of angles. Thanks for watching. See you again with another episode.